Babe. 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 Please, see. How can I explain? Please, no, please. I just want you to calm down first. Please, babe. Please.
Yes, babe. I'm just in the kitchen. I'm trying to make lunch.
Wow, so that means I'm missing out on a lot.
Of course, babe, you're missing a lot. That's why you need to come home. You know, we need to intensify in our efforts to make babies before we start laughing at them.
Babe, come on, don't be like that. Listen, I have told you, right? It is God that gives children, right? And in His time, He'll give us our own, okay? Don't worry, I'm going to be back this weekend, okay?
You'll be back this weekend? Babe, you promise or you're just pulling my legs?
I promise.
Okay, I'll be waiting. I love you.
Alright, my love. I love you, okay?
I'll talk to you later.
Alright, see you soon. Okay.
I won't lie to you. Crossing paths with you has brought me so much gain other than pain. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me.
Alex, please stop. Stop patronizing me.
I'm not patronizing you. You are all I ever want in a woman. Trust me, you are the best thing that has ever happened to me in my life.
It's just that I'm scared. I've been hurt so many times.
I understand how you feel, babe. And I promise never to hurt you.
You promise?
I promise you with all my heart. You're the best thing that has ever happened to me. I love you to the moon and back.
I love you too, Alex.
Come here. See who just wake up.
Oh, good morning.
I made you tea.
Thank you so much. That's so nice. God, Alex.
Babe, we've been together for over a year now. And I have no doubt in my heart that you are the woman for me. Which is why I've decided to take this our love to the next level. Babe, please, will you marry me?
Yes. Please, I'll marry you. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my God. I'm getting Oh my God. Thank you so much, baby. Thank you.
I'm glad you like it.
Oh my God. I need to tell my sister. Oh my God. Big sis.
Hey,
it's so nice to have you here.
Thank you so much.
Cheers.
What is that?
Alex proposed and I said yes.
Oh my God, he did! This is so beautiful. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you, big sis. Thank you.
Congratulations! Finally! So, how far have you guys gone with the wedding preparation?
There's not much plans for now, and that's because Alex has this business deal that he's chasing. So all plans are on hold.
Really? So Alex is now a full-blown businessman. Is that it?
Well, he's still struggling actually. I even gave him 1 million naira to support his business.
I'm sorry, say that again.
I gave him 1 million naira to support his business.
You did what? You gave a man 1 million naira? I mean again. Emilia, what is wrong with you? Why do you keep doing that? I mean, I've always told you that you cannot get marriage and love in exchange for money. Why would you do that?
Relax, relax. I know what I'm doing. And besides, Alex is different. He's different.
You don't know what you're doing, and Alex is not. Why would you say he's different? So you can now see through people. Is that what you're trying to say? Listen, all men are deceitful. They're deceitful. I mean, my problem with you is that you don't even love with your brain. I don't know what you're doing.
All men are deceitful, eh?
Yes.
But you're enjoying yours.
Yeah, okay. Literally, I didn't say that all men are deceitful. I said so. You know what I'm trying to say? You understand me? I mean, you give a man money again.
Listen, sister. Listen, please. I'm going to be 30 in a few months. I don't have time for all these. So, are you going to support me or not?
Hello? Yeah, who is this? Yeah, this is Aria speaking. Yes, she's my younger sister. Eh? Where? Okay, I'll be there soon. I'll be there soon. I'm coming. Hello, Jane. I just got a distress call. My sister is in the hospital. I'm on my way to that place. Hey, doctor, please, what's her present condition? Can I see her?
Oh, it must be Mrs. Aria.
Yes, Amelia is my younger sister. Can I see her now?
Oh, please have a seat. We've been able to stabilize her at the moment. But I must say that you're very lucky she was brought in right on time by a concerned neighbor who said she saw the door ajar and wanted to find out what the problem was.
Hey, thank you, Jesus. So what exactly happened?
Well, from the tests we ran, she drank a poisonous substance, apparently in an attempt to commit suicide. Reasons yet to be known. But she should gain consciousness in a few hours, after which we'll refer you to the pharmacy to get her medications.
Oh, I see. Thank you so much, doctor. Can I see her now?
Oh, sure you can. Just head back to the reception. The nurses there will direct you to our ward.
Okay. Thank you so much, doctor. Thank you. Thank you. Whatever this is all about, we shall get through it together. That is because we are sisters. I love you very much. You're all I've got. Let's just recover fast for me, please. Yeah.
Thank you, my dear. I was so nervous when you told me about your sister. How is she?
She's still unconscious. But the doctor says she will come around.
But what really happened?
My sister, I think she's in the best position to answer that question. They say she took poison.
Poison?
Poison! Poison.
I'm really sorry, dear, okay?
I don't understand my sister again. I don't understand Emily again. What is she doing with poison? Why does she enjoy inflicting pain on herself? If anything happens to that girl, I will not survive it. She's all I've got.
Nothing will happen to her, okay? Thank God she was rushed to the hospital in time. She'll be fine. From Andrea, have you talked to Andrea? Have you called him?
He was at a presentation when I called him, and I didn't want to distract him with this bad news. So,
It is well, okay? You'll be fine. Okay. We'll see her tomorrow, okay? Let me be going.
you're not going anywhere. Sit down.
Okay,
I
I'm
saw
here.
you in my house.
I'm here. Oh, no problem. I'm here.
Yes, babe. Yes, she's still unconscious. I'm trying to be okay. I'm trying to be fine. Yes, Jen is here with me. So how are you? Okay, please just call me when you get home, okay? I love you too. Bye.
Baby, it is well, okay? Oh, try.
Why is she not waking up?
See, fine girl, where they won't confuse. She'll be fine. I have a suggestion, no? I hope you not take it the wrong way.
No, what is it?
I suggest you take her to your house. You know, all the suicide patients, they can just want to redo the suicide again or something. But if she's in your house, you'll be able to monitor her.
I think you're right. You have a point. Yes, just that. Wake up. Ilya, why is she not waking up?
She'll wake up. Don't shake her, eh? She'll be fine, okay? I beg. I'll be going, eh? Just take care of yourself. Let me go and pick my kids from school.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Okay, thank you for coming.
I'll pray for her. She'll be fine, okay? Don't worry. Hey,
Thank
yeah, fine girl.
Thank you.
Swallow.
Okay. Thank you. Should I see you off?
No, don't worry. Let's just
Okay.
stay. Oh my God. Where am I? Oh, where am I? Why am I here?
Hey! Amelia, you're awake. You're finally awake. How do you feel?
Why did you bring me here? You should have just allowed me to die.
No! No, you won't die. Don't say that. Not while I'm still alive. Tell me what happened.
I just want to die.
Stop saying it. You will not die. You are all I've got. Please, stop mentioning death. I'm glad my sister is back. What happened?
I should have just listened to you. Alex broke my heart. I caught him in bed with another woman in my house. I am men so harmless.
It's okay. I've always known that guy is up to no good. He doesn't love you. He just wants to keep extorting money from you. You should just pray I don't get a hold of him. Don't attempt suicide. No man is worth it.
I just feel so ashamed and worthless.
You're not worthless. You're my sister. If this will mean any consolation to you, but you know I've been married to Andre for so many years without an issue. Have I killed myself? I am bothered, yes, but life goes on.
Oh my God.
Just don't try this again. You scared me to death. You will not die. Just my sister is back. My sister is back. Do you want to eat anything? How do you feel? Do you want anything?
I just want to die.
No, stop sick.
Should I take it back upstairs?
Yes, please. Thank you. Or just drop it there. I'll take it upstairs. Thank you. Thank you, okay? Let me just get you water and then fix us something to eat. Okay?
I'm fine, sister. I'm not hungry. I'm fine. I'm okay. I just want to relax.
What did you say?
I'm okay. I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry? Did you see the quantity of drugs the doctor gave to you? Eh? Are you planning on taking them without eating anything? Is that what you want to do? Emilia?
The whole world will laugh at me.
Oh, there she goes again.
Men keep disappointing me back to back. Is it that I'm not beautiful enough? Or I'm not hardworking enough? In fact, sister, I feel like I'm under a curse.
Stop it! That is an unfair thing to say to yourself. Do not use that word on yourself. Stop it! You are not under any curse. Don't repeat it again. I don't want to hear it again. You are beautiful. You are Emilia, my sister. Our father's replica. Well, jokes on them is their loss. You're beautiful. You're enough. I want to assure you that just hold on a little. The right man will come at the right time.
The right man.
Yes.
Sister, there is no right man.
Oh, Emilia.
You see this thing you're doing with your husband? Think you're in love. It's all lies. Men are incapable of love. Sister, love does not exist. And I can prove it to you.
You'll get over it. Let me just get you water. Let me get you water and we'll take you back upstairs. Come in.
The journey was fine. It was fine. Anybody home? I am home.
Baby, you're welcome.
Thank you. Well, someone clearly missed me.
I miss you a lot. I miss you a lot.
Oh, I missed you too, babe. I'm home now.
It's good to have you back.
It's good to be back.
So, why don't you come in and freshen up? I made something special for you.
Is that right?
Yes, go.
Let me grab my suitcase.
Okay, let me help you with that.
Alright.
Oh, my baby is back!
I can't wait for this something special.
Something special!
It is so good.
So, how was the presentation?
Oh, it went really well. It was good.
And I'm actually supposed to still be there for our dinner next week. But I said to them, you know what? Nope. I am going back home because I miss my beautiful wife.
Thank you so much, my love.
It's nothing. It's nothing. Yeah. Oh yeah. How's your sister Emilia? How's she doing right now? Has she been discharged from the hospital?
Yes, she has. And
That's good.
as a matter of fact, I brought her home to stay with us for some time. Do you need water?
You did what? Yeah?
I brought her home. She's in the house.
Why would you make such a move without even talking to me first?
I didn't see it as a problem, is it?
Well, what do you think? You make such a decision, no conversation with me, no permission, no consent, nothing at all. Like,
She's my sister.
I understand that she's your sister, but this is our home. You can't just make such a decision, no conversation with me, no permission, no consent, no nothing. Like, how do you do that? And then you're asking me if it should be a problem. What is that even about?
She's here, please.
Welcome, children.
Thank you.
Do you eat your food, please?
Hope everything's okay.
Yes, he just had a rough trip. It's not about you. It's fine.
I'm here.
Okay. You're good, right?
I'm getting a hand of it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Are you sure you're good?
Yes. I'm fine. Babe, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry now.
How could you bring your sister into this house without talking to me about it first? Like, why would you even conceive such a thought?
No, babe, I just said sorry.
It's not about you saying sorry. It's not about you being sorry. It's about the fact that you made that decision without speaking to me. How would you feel if I brought in a family member into this house without talking to you about it first?
What is the problem? Why are you blowing this thing out of proportion? We are talking about my sister, my only sister. Do you want me to allow her die of depression? We are talking about someone that attempted suicide.
Don't sound like that because you make it seem like I don't care.
You obviously do not care about my sister. You don't care. Because if you care, you won't be sounding this way. You're so angry I brought her into the house.
Okay. Fine. She's here now. There's nothing I can do about it. My question to you right now is, how long is she here for? I said, how long is she staying with us?
That question is not important. She just got here. Please, stop doing that. My sister is family. I just brought her into our home. Please.
You know what? Just do whatever you want. I am not talking about this anymore. Just
Well, let's just talk about
just
it.
do what you want.
Bro, if you ask me, I would say your reaction was simply out of line.
Wait, are you being serious right now?
Yes.
So you're telling me that me being upset with my wife for bringing her sister into the house was me overreacting?
Temporarily. All right? Temporarily, not permanently.
So what you're saying in essence is that it's okay for her to bring her sister, or anyone else for that matter, into the house without talking to me first. That's what you're saying. I don't blame you. No, I have no blame at all. Because, you see, you don't understand the dynamics of marriage because you're not married. So I can understand where you're coming from because you don't understand where you're coming from.
There you go again. Now, they always like use this whole marriage thing, why me? I will soon find my own Juliet too.
That's what you've been saying since.
How many is it? Better hurry up. Because by the time you're now having your children, you turn to grandpa.
See, all this one I see finish.
It's not see
This old grandpa I see
It's not
finish.
see finish, my brother. It's just a friendly advice from a good friend. So you can be there forming most eligible bachelor of Lagos chapter.
Okay.
Better do the needful.
I don't hear you now. Okay. I will do the needful.
Okay.
So Alpha, tell me about the seminar and presentation. How was it?
Oh, it went really well. It was very good and productive. Just that I had to come back home earlier than planned because, just felt like I was away from home for too long. I missed home, can I say.
Interesting. I'm actually glad this is coming from you. Anyways, bro, you need to apologize to your wife. See, let me tell you something. Whatever she does in her current condition is permissible now. Coupled with the fact that this girl is her only sister.
I don't hear you. Defense counsel, I have heard you. So can we drink in peace now?
Okay. No wahala.
Babe. Are you not going to eat with me?
No, I'm not hungry. I already ate.
Babe, still haven't spoken to me since. Babe, come on now.
Get your hands off me.
Babe, I'm sorry now. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to upset you.
You're not sorry. How can you be sorry for being yourself? You no longer have regards for me, but it's okay, it's fine.
Don't say that, that's not true. Right? I shouldn't have let my ego get the best of me. I'm sorry.
Your ego? It's not your ego or anything. You don't like my sister. You hate her with passion. You don't want her to come and stay in this big house that can contain even more 10 people. And there will still be space, so plenty space. We don't want her to come because you don't like her. I've begged you, I told you she will soon go, she will not stay with us forever. You said no. Now she has found out that you don't want her to stay. What next?
Oh, babe, I'm sorry. Right? You know I would never deliberately do anything to disregard you or disrespect you. Look.
Yeah, I'm
it
here.
won't happen again.
Leave me alone.
I'm sorry.
I'm here thinking about my condition. I'm here to conceive. I'm trying to conceive. You're making me sad, complicating things for me. How will I take it like this?
First of all, I'm sorry. Secondly, there's nothing wrong with you. Alright? The doctor said that we are both fine. We just have to be patient and keep praying. That's all. Please.
I'm still angry.
It's okay. Have you heard?
I'll try and hear.
Try and hear.
This is nice. You made this, eh?
Of course it is. It's me now. I still have it.
You don't overhype yourself if I send it to where you belong.
You wish.
But babe, you know all these things you know how to cook out. I taught you how to cook them. Hope you remember.
It does not matter. It does not matter whether it taught me or not. They said that a child that does not grow to be better than his father has been fathered in vain.
You win. I rest my case. Oh my god, this is really nice.
Yeah, just the way you like it. This is not regular egg. This is premium egg. It's premium or nothing.
Problem or nothing. This is nice. You're not eating?
Yeah, I'm eating. I'm actually doing some calculations.
Calculation on the dining table. You know what? Just eat. Let her do your calculations, okay?
Yes, baby.
It's really, really nice. He made it. My husband is a chef.
Okay, maybe not a chef.
Oh, chef.
Don't come and overhype me. Next time I'll go and cook rubbish because of too much confidence.
Next time you cook moi.
Small thing.
Oh my god. Oh, this is nice.
I'm glad you like it. Enjoy the day. Hey. What are you doing?
My love, you're here. Touch me, baby.
You can you just relax. Just lay back.
Oh my god. I miss you so much.
Just rest, right?
Okay. I'm resting. Just come closer, baby. Oh fuck. Oh my god. Give me the drink, please. Give me the drink.
Just relax, alright? Just rest.
Wake up! Wake up!
Oh, sister. Where's my drink? Oh. For how long have I been sleeping?
you just ask me that question? Is that a rhetorical question or I'm meant to answer it? What is wrong with you, Emilia? Why are you bent on frustrating me? I am trying to help you. You're frustrating my efforts.
I'm sorry now.
No, don't even try apologizing. Don't start with your emotional blackmail. My husband walked in here and found you drunk. What is it? Are you the first woman to get hurt by a man? Are you the first?
Sis, I said I'm sorry. I won't do it again.
You keep saying that and you end up doing the worst. Listen, you are my sister. I love you. I love you with all my heart. You're my baby sister. But this is not you. Listen to me. This is not you. Lick your wounds and move on. Dust yourself. Come off it. Come off it. I don't want you to end up this way. Please don't do this to yourself. It's okay. I love you so much. I love you. I understand perfectly what you're going through.
I love you too, sister.
Do you know it was very difficult for Andrew to let me bring you into this house. Please don't make him regret it. Please don't do it again. You're hurting me. You're hurting everyone around you. It's not fair. It's okay. It's okay. I love you so much. I love you so much. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
So, Aria, must you go for this field trip? Can't anybody else go for you, eh?
Who will go for me? Jen, who will go for me? I want to go. It will boost my profile. Besides, I want to leave this house. I'm tired of staying in this house. This childlessness is beginning to affect me. I want to go.
Every time childlessness. Are you the only one that is childless? Eh? Even your husband is not complaining. Every time I don't have a child. Every time. The test you are good to go. Can you take it easy on yourself?
Did you say my husband is not complaining?
Yes!
He's not complaining today, but he might complain tomorrow. And you're not bothered because you have children. Allow me to find this plantain.
Why are you sounding like this? Oh. So what of Emilia? Who will take care of Emilia?
Emilia?
Huh?
Is she a baby? My husband is there to take care of her now if she needs help.
Oh, Andre the babysitter. It's because he's so good, you are now turning him to what? Emilia's babysitter. Girl, stay back and take care of your sister.
I will not stay back. I will go. You see that field work? I must go.
Whatever.
Allow me find this plantain, oh!
Fry fast though, I'm waiting to eat.
I know you must eat.
Before.
Look, babe, I still maintain that this your trip is not necessary. I mean, this is just an NGO that you work for. Must you be at everything that they do?
Babe, it's just for 3 days. It's very important for me to go.
And what about your sister? Am I supposed to be cooking and serving her food?
Well, you don't need to bother yourself about that. First off, I made stew and different types of soup. They're in the refrigerator and it will serve till I return.
Okay, if you say so.
Thank you. Babe, please, can I ask for one more favor?
What is it now?
Please, I want you to keep an eye on my sister. I want you to take her out, make her have fun. I mean, I want her mind to be drifted away from what happened. Please, just for sightseeing and all that, please.
When your sister moved in with us, I did not realize that I was going to have to be babysitting as well.
Babe, you're not babysitting anybody. Okay, I will not ask you for any favor again. This is the last one.
Fine. I'll hold you to your words.
You will do that for me? You make my sister have fun, see life, take beautiful pictures, have funny moments. You know you're the best. No. You know you're the best, right? Mwah. I miss you, baby. Cheer up now.
Cheer up and come back.
After 3 days, I'll come back.
Amelia.
Oh.
Yeah, I wanted to let you know that food is ready, so you can come in and eat.
Alright, thank you. I'll join you shortly.
Alright.
Thank you.
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine. Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
So your sister asked that, in her absence, maybe I can take you out with me so you can, just have some fun, engage in some activity, and just take your mind off things. That's if you want.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah? Okay.
Thank you for the food too.
You're welcome. Okay. So, how do you feel now? Better?
I feel like if I have more, I'll feel better. I feel good already. Thank you.
Okay. If you say so.
Yeah, drink. Come on, cheers. Let's have some more.
Okay. Cheers.
Yeah. Oh my god.
It's quite harsh.
Thank you so much for bringing me out here tonight.
It's fine. It's fine. Anything I can do to help.
Let's go again.
Some more?
Yes, please.
Oh, you can hold your alcohol. That's very impressive.
I'm just trying to get in that mood. I've had a lot of thinking going on.
I can imagine.
Cheers, the good guy. Oh my god. Come on. Let's keep going.
I think maybe we should slow down.
No, let's keep going. I feel so good. Let's do this. Don't you like it?
I mean, it's quite nice, but it's actually very strong.
Come on. Cheers to my sister. This one is for my sister.
Okay.
To my sister. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's very strong.
No, it's not. It's actually
Maybe we should just slow down.
this last one. This last one. Trust me, this last one. You won't regret this. I promise you. You're with me. Come on. Yeah, this is to you. Cheers. Oh. feels so good.
Yeah, I think we've had enough of this. Just no, just wake up. What are you doing? What are you doing on my matron? What are you doing here?
Is it morning already?
Stop. What stupid question is that one? I said, if it's morning already. How did you even get in here?
Calm down, baby boy. You should be thanking me for being able to satisfy your burning sexual urge last night.
What are you talking about? Did we do anything?
What kind of question is that? What you should be asking me is if I want more. Come on, baby.
Don't touch me, please. Can you just get out of this room right now, please? Can you just get out? You need to calm down.
Listen, I'm so happy that I'm going to enjoy with my sister as usual. Just go.
Get your hands off me, please. I don't want to do anything that I'm going to regret. Can you just get out of my room? Can you just get out? Just get out of this room right now.
Relax. Allow me. Oh my god, that was wow. Baby boy. Let me get myself, please. Yeah. See you around, baby boy.
Where are you even going with my duvet? Can you bring my duvet back?
Why in God's name why is Andrew not taking my calls? Even Emilia. I hope everything is fine at home. I hope everything is good.
Hey, babe.
Babe, you got me so worried. Why haven't you been taking my calls? Are you okay? Are you good? Is everything okay at home?
Everything is fine. Everything is fine. I'm sorry. My phone has been on silent since yesterday. I forgot to take it off silent when I woke up.
Okay, that's fine. But you sound so low. Are you okay?
I'm fine. Fine. Okay.
Really? Okay. Babe, guess what? Don't worry, let me tell you. I'm actually on my way to the airport. I should be at home, let's say in 2 hours time. And I've got some good news for you. You wouldn't believe it, just trust me.
Wow, well, whatever it is, I can't wait to hear it.
Just sit tight and wait for the good news. I love you, my baby. I love you so much. You know that, right?
I love you too.
Alright, I'll see you. Bye.
Hold on! Who is there? Oh my god, I miss you so much! Oh god, I miss you so much! Oh, my baby! Oh, my baby!
Welcome back. I really miss you so much.
I'm so sorry now I'm back.
Just come back and see. Just relax.
Welcome back, Betty. I miss you so much.
I miss you more.
Yeah, see you. Let me take your bag upstairs.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's good to have you home.
How are you?
Very well. Tell me, how's your trip?
It was fine to the glory of God. And happy, everybody's happy.
We are happy to have you back. Of course. Come on, what are you talking about?
Okay, I told you I have good news for you, right?
Yes, you did. I'm getting impatient. Just tell me now. Come on.
I don't know how to say
Babe,
it.
just say it. You know, I don't like suspense and you know.
Okay,
Babe, please now. Come on.
Okay.
This is torture.
Okay, I'll say it. 2 days after my arrival at our place of lodge,
Yes.
I started feeling sick. Initially, I thought it was because of the change of environment, but it wasn't, because I took some medication and the symptoms persisted. So I had to visit our medical team, and it was confirmed that I'm 2 months pregnant.
Are you being serious right now?
Yes, I'm serious.
You're not messing with me, are you?
Babe, I'm pregnant.
Babe, you're pregnant. How, babe? God has finally answered our prayer. You mean like our beautiful, bouncing baby girl is in there right now?
It's a boy.
It's a girl, Joe. I
want a boy.
As you. Oh, I'm so happy.
So excited.
We're finally going to be parents.
Finally.
Wow. Oh, baby, this is great news. This is great news.
Jesus. Oh, Andre, you startled me.
Just keep your voice down, right? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to start to you. I wanted to talk to you.
About what?
About what happened last night.
What
Look,
about it?
Last night was a mistake. Alright? So I need for both of us to pretend like it never happened. Your sister must never know about it, please.
That's fine. Let's not forget that who we're talking about is my sister. And of course, I would not do anything to hurt her. So, don't worry.
Okay. I'm glad it's coming from you. Right?
Alright, I got you. So, can you excuse me? Let me get back to what
Yes, sorry.
See you. Sweet boy. Sweet man.
Is this my sister?
Oh my God, Rixie!
Is this my sister? I've never seen you this happy in weeks.
I know. Thank you.
You're my sister. You know, I don't need a soothsayer to tell me that this is Andrew's handwork.
Of course. Remember when I said that men were incapable of love?
Yes, you said that.
I was wrong. There's only one good man on this earth, and my sister is married to him.
I'm blushing on his behalf. You know, my husband is the best. I mean, God gave me the best man available.
I know.
And guess what? I have good news for you.
Okay, what's the good news? Are you going to America? What?
I'm telling you.
What's that?
I'm pregnant.
You're joking?
I'm pregnant.
Oh my God, that's
This is so good. I'm so happy for you. You always wanted this.
Yes, God has finally answered my prayers.
Congratulations.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes. My love, it's all thanks to you. I mean, you came into my home and you came with so much happiness. I mean, you came in and I took in immediately. It's all thanks to you. I know.
This is so good.
Babe,
Hey, babe.
what is it? Why are you standing here all alone?
Sorry, I just, I have a lot on my mind and just trying to, plot one or two things.
A lot on your mind. Babe, I expected you to be excited over the news of the pregnancy.
I am, I promise you. It's just that there's a lot going on right now, with work and everything. But I am excited. I'm happy for us. Okay?
Okay. Now that's by the way. I want to thank you for what you did for my sister. I mean, because of you, my sister is finally back to me. It's all thanks to you. I mean, you did it earlier than I expected. Thank you.
It's okay. I guess she needed a different approach. Maybe had someone else talk to her. And I guess it worked.
It worked. I have my sister, but I'm so excited, baby. Thank you so much. You're the best.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Are you sure you're fine?
I'm fine, babe. Don't worry about it. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay. Alright, I'll be downstairs.
Okay.
Alright.
Hey, what's going on now? This one you're missing your shorts. What's happening? Normally you too short, and you don't even put anymore. What's happened?
Don't mind me, Jerry. My mind is just, it's all over the place. It's had a bit of a mess up.
Messed up. What's the problem?
Just one small family thing, but never mind, Jerry. So I wanted to tell you, my wife, she returned from her trip yesterday with some good news. Yes.
Okay.
Or let's just say that I'm finally going to be a father. She's pregnant.
Wow.
Yes.
Congratulations, man.
Yes,
That's the news we've all been waiting for now. Bro, come on. Congrats, bro.
Thanks, man. I mean, I'm just grateful to God for everything.
Yeah, you should be actually. You should be. Anyways, I called you out here to discuss the properties I sent via mail. You got them, right?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, the community heads have finally handed the CFO for the potential buyers. And they give you good news. What did they do you now?
Sorry.
I said they've handed the CFO now. We can start looking for clients, start selling properties now.
That's great news. That's great news. Sorry. Can you just give me 1 minute? I need to use the restroom. Yeah, I'll be right back.
Yeah, now. Bro.
Maryann, this food is so nice.
I'm glad you like it.
I love it. Babe, the food is nice, right?
Yes, it is. It's really.
Sorry. Water? Sorry. Sorry. Are you okay? Sorry.
Yes, I'm fine. Just
You went down the wrong pipe. I'm fine.
Are you sure? Or is it because you're rushing the food? Because it's delicious.
It's possible.
This food is so nice.
I'm liking it. I like it. I'm glad you like it, sister.
Welcome. This food is nice. It's amazing, right? How was it?
Let go of me! You're going to hurt me!
What's the meaning of that childish behavior in there? Have you completely lost your mind?
Why are you not acting like you don't want more?
Get your hands off me. Now listen to me carefully. What happened between us was an accident, right? It was a mistake that we should put behind us if you want to remain in this house.
You lie. You call a prolonged memorable sex between two consenting adults a mistake?
Look, I was drunk, alright? And you caused it. It was you.
Oh, please, spare me those flimsy excuses, you seasoned he-goat.
Look, I'm dead serious. You need to get your...
Babe,
Hey, babe.
I've been looking for you.
Oh,
He just came to...
What happened was, I was passing and then I heard some funny sounds in the backyard and I decided to come and see what it was. And it turns out to be Emilia here just doing her random TikTok videos.
Is that so?
Yes.
What I heard sounded more like an argument.
An argument?
Yes.
There's no argument. Who could possibly be the argument? There's no argument. You heard it wrong. You know what? Let's go instead.
You on social media.
I see it, I know.
Everything's on this
Let's
social media.
Sleeping. You look troubled. What is it?
It's nothing. I'm fine.
You're not fine, babe. You look fine. You've been acting cold ever since I came back. What is it? Did I offend you? Tell me, let me apologize.
Of course not. You didn't do anything wrong, right, babe? I'm fine. Right? I'm okay.
Oh, is it my sister? Did she do something to offend you or upset you?
Your sister didn't do anything, alright? I said I'm fine.
Babe, you know I could tell when you're lying. What happened between you and Emilia?
Wait, what do you mean? What happened? Did she say anything to you? Did she tell me? What did she tell you?
No, she did not say anything, but it's logical of me to ask because I did not have an issue with you before traveling. So you're obviously angry with Emilia. What did she do? You're not upset with me. You're upset with my sister. What did she do?
I'm not upset with your sister. Like, she didn't do anything. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. There's no need to worry.
Babe, are you sure?
I'm sure.
Then stop acting cold.
I'm fine. Fine, don't worry about it. Listen, you just go back to sleep, okay?
Okay, how much of this mood?
Okay, I'm fine.
Can you sleep now?
I will. Just in a few minutes. Don't worry, you just go back to sleep.
Okay. If you say so.
Do this side now.
Oh my God, are they hungry?
I beg, do that side. Every time they're hungry. Do that thing I say you should do.
I'll see you.
Hi sis. Why are you going to like that?
I want to go and see Jane. She's very sick. I need to go and see her.
Oh, so sorry. You're not leaving with your car?
No, I sent it for servicing. I'll book both. Let me just go. Hey, I'm making soup. It's actually on fire. Please check it. Oh, I'll see you. Oh, I got the call.
Alright, I will. Get out.
Bye-bye.
What do you think you're doing? Why are you in here?
Please, I just want more of that, please.
Have you lost your senses? Have you lost your mind? Have you even wondered what Giselle would think if she comes in here and catches us like this?
She's not around. She has gone for a walk.
I don't care if she's around or not. If she's coming back now or 10 years from now, I need you to get out of this room.
Don't do that to me!
And don't come back! God, what kind of problem is this? What have I gotten myself into?
Andre thinks he can just play me like a chess pawn and have a good time with my sister while I remain the unfortunate one. I'm never going to let that happen. Never. I will make sure I disrupt their good time. If I can't be happy, no one certainly should be.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Why would you barge into the room like that without even knocking?
Emilia, you should have knocked now.
I'm so sorry, sis.
You're sorry about what? Are you a child?
Hey, babe, calm down. What is it?
I was sleeping and then I had a nightmare. I was so frightened to stay alone. But don't worry, I'm sorry. I'll leave now.
Can you even hear that? Can you hear what your sister is saying? A full-grown woman is saying that she had a nightmare. That's why she barged into the room of two grown adults. Just like that.
Calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down.
Calm down, okay. Let me just go and talk to her. Let me know what's the problem.
Better go and handle this thing, though. Because I can't keep condoning nonsense. See, she had a nightmare. Are you 5 years old?
Emilia, you should have knocked. Or even called me on phone. Why did you do that?
I'm sorry, big sis. I didn't mean to barge into you and your husband having a good time. It's just that I was having a horrible nightmare and I became uncomfortable. I'm sorry.
It's okay, I'm not angry with you, but please next time knock. At least, okay?
Okay, I will. I'm so sorry. Your husband, I hope he's not mad at me. See the way he even shouted at me.
You know his anger is justified, but don't worry, I'll sort it out, okay?
Okay.
Don't do it next time, please.
I won't, I promise. I'm sorry.
Can you stay? Can you stay alone?
Yeah, I'll try. Just that I have to leave the lights on.
Okay, that's fine. I need to go back to my husband. I need to talk to him, okay? Just sleep. I'll see you in the morning.
Alright, I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. Good night.
Alright, sis. Good night.
Babe, I'm sorry for what happened. I'm sorry.
Listen, I think that I have accommodated your sister enough. At this point in time, I think she should just move back to her own house, please.
Babe, please calm down.
Don't tell me to. Listen, the more you're telling me to calm down, the more I'm losing my shit. Stop telling me to calm down. You claim that the reason your sister is because you're scared that she will fall back into depression. She's fine now. Can she just go back to her house?
Hey, babe. So you want to send my only sister away because of this singular mistake? If you ask me, I will say you overreact, you know.
I'm overreacting. Can you even hear this? Your sister walked in on us making love. No knock, no just barging into the room. And you're telling me that I'm overreacting.
Oh yeah, sorry. Let's just continue from where we
Continue what? I'm not in the mood anymore. You better go and meet her. She's having nightmare. Both of you should go and console each other. I'm going to bed.
Okay, I will hug you. I'll put you in the mood.
Listen, don't even touch me. I want to sleep.
No, this is initial gra. I'll get you in the...
Can you stop? I'm not playing with you.
Are you serious?
Sis, I feel really bad. I don't want to cause any problems in your home.
You're not causing any problem. Okay, just chill. Babe, you're ready for work?
Yes.
You've not had breakfast.
I'm not hungry.
No, babe, it's soon. Like, you please just eat.
I said that I'm not hungry.
This is all my fault. Maybe I should just leave.
No, it's fine. He will come around, okay?
It's okay for him to feel that way. I think I should just leave, please.
Stop it! This house belongs to the both of us. And until he gives me a more genuine reason why he wants you to leave, you go nowhere. Nowhere. Okay? So relax. Feel at home. This is your sister's house.
Thank you, big sis. I love you.
I love you even more.
I know.
You don't want to eat yet?
No. See, there's one TikTok video that I've been trying to
Not
edit
again. I don't have strength for TikTok.
I'm making money on the Apple. You don't even know. Steady here now.
Yeah. Jane, I don't understand my husband anymore. He's so uncomfortable with my sister. I mean, he doesn't want my sister to stay in this house. He has even transferred the aggression to me. He doesn't talk to me like he used to. He doesn't play with me. In fact, he hardly replies my greeting. He's a shadow of himself. I don't even understand anymore. I don't understand it.
Take it easy with yourself. But I can remember you telling me that your husband Andre helped Emilia heal faster when you traveled.
Yes. But I don't understand the sudden change. I honestly do not understand the change of attitude. I don't understand where it's coming from. My husband hates Emilia with passion. In fact, he despises her. Everything about my sister irritates my husband. Is it supposed to be so?
I think you're taking it too far.
Hold on. Jane, could it be that he doesn't love me anymore? I mean, could it be that the love he has for me is reducing? Is that why he's acting up? My husband doesn't love me anymore. Is that it?
You're taking it so hard.
What do you want me to do? My husband doesn't love me anymore. He's driving me crazy. What do you want me to do?
Take it easy, girl. I would advise you go with what your husband wants.
Wait. Are you implying that I send my only sister, emphasis on only sister, out of my house just to make my husband happy? Is that what you're trying to imply? Is that what you're implying?
Okay. Aria, let's say it this way. Would you rather have your only sister in your house and lose your marriage? Or Send your only sister back to her house and save your marriage. Choose wisely. Advice no dey pass this one.
So you think you can just use me and dump me like that?
First of all, Emilia, nobody used you, okay? Nobody used you, all right? What happened between us was a mistake. You need to get that into your head. So if there's anything you have to say, can you just say it? Because I have other things I need to do.
Is that so?
Yes.
Okay. Here's my pregnancy test results.
And what business of mine is that?
I'm pregnant.
Emilia, it does not have to be this way. Alright? It does not have to be this way.
Oh, please shut up. When you were sleeping with me, you didn't know it was going to get to this point, right? You better brace up and prepare yourself for this because it's about to get down.
Look, Emilia, wait. Look, Emilia.
Hello? Who is this? Alex. Why are you calling me? I thought I've told you not to call me again. You must be mad. Don't you ever in your life call this line again, Alex.
Bro, I've been watching you for the past 5 minutes. You look like shit, bro. What's going on?
Bro, I messed up. I messed up big time.
Messed up how? What happened?
I'm so ashamed of myself. I don't even know how to say it.
I mean, oh, come on. We've been friends now. Talk to me. You can confide in me now. What's going on? What happened?
Bro, I need your honest opinion on this.
Okay. Talk now.
I slept with my wife's sister.
Eh?
Just keep your voice down. I didn't plan for it to happen. It was not intentional. I was drunk.
Hi.
Emilia has been doing everything in her power to seduce me since it happened. I've been resisting. And then just today, she just gave me the biggest shock of my life, saying that she's pregnant.
Oh my God. Hey. That's some serious mess.
I know. Like, I just wish that there was something I could do to just rewind time and just, for all of this not to have happened. This girl is very demonic. At this point, I don't even know what to do anymore. I don't know what to do.
Bro, this is some deep shit. Some real deep shit. See. As difficult as it may sound, my advice would be that you tell your wife.
What?
Yes, now. She will find out eventually. So tell her first.
Are you joking? Where do you expect me to get that kind of confidence to tell her what happened? Are you joking?
Relax. I know it is going to be difficult, but you have to tell her. It is important. You tell her.
Do you even realize how traumatic this news will be to her? We are talking about her blood sister here.
Okay. Maybe you have a better option. I'm all ears. Tell me. No, you have another solution to this whole nonsense now. So talk to me. See, it is not going to be easy, but you need to tell your wife. Because that girl, she will mess up your life. Oh. I'm serious, she will mess you up. And eventually your wife will find out.
I don't even know how to face Aria.
Hi.
After so many years of faithfulness, I just broke that trust.
Hi.
Not just anybody else, her actual sister.
See, this. Hi. Come on. I'm pissed too. At the vex, like seriously, because I know I actually supported that girl staying in your house. I mean, I advised you to allow her stay. I didn't see this coming at all. Bro, see, she has to leave your house. She has to leave as soon as possible. Look for a way to make sure she leaves that house. Yes, now. I mean, what's this nonsense? Ha. Come on. I didn't see this coming at all.
How and where do I even begin to tell her all that has happened? Will she be able to bear it with this her present condition? I doubt it. Or maybe I should just tell her and free my mind of this burden. No, I can't do this now. I can't. Let me just talk to Emilia again. She should state her terms. That is what I must do.
Good morning.
Morning, sunshine. You okay?
No, I'm not okay. I want us to talk.
Oh. Okay. What's up?
Babe, I understand that things have not been going well between us. I've thought about it and I've come to realize it's all my fault. I shouldn't have allowed my sister's personal issues disrupt the peace and comfort of our home. I'm so sorry, my husband. I'm sorry.
Babe, I must apologize as well. I haven't been a good husband and friend as I ought to.
No need to apologize, babe. You've been up and doing. Despite everything that is going on, I love and trust you with all my heart.
I'm so sorry, babe.
Babe, stop it. I should be the one apologizing. I shouldn't have disobeyed you. You're my husband. I'm so sorry. Henceforth, your word is law. I'm so sorry. Sorry.
Okay. I love you.
I love you much more. Are we good?
Yes, we are.
Okay, so.
I have to run now. I have to.
Alright. Okay.
Have to catch up with
pleasant day
them.
at work, okay?
Oh, and you too.
Alright.
called you here so that we can talk.
Talk about what?
Look, I feel like at this point we have to find a diplomatic way of solving this whole thing without hurting my wife, who's your sister.
Yeah, that's my sister we're talking about. So, we're good.
Look, Amelia, I am begging you. I am pleading with you. You have to terminate this pregnancy. I will do whatever you want, but please.
What? You must be out of your mind. You want me to terminate my child because of my sister? Have you ever stopped to consider my own feelings?
Look, we made a mistake that complicated things. We don't need to complicate it more. Please.
Was that why you brought me here?
Wait, just wait, please, just wait. I didn't mean to say anything that would upset you. Just hear me out. Please, come on. You can't do this to me. Just tell me what it is that you want, please.
Okay, fine. Just marry me and make me your second wife.
Marry you?
Yeah.
That's not even possible, and you know that.
Oh, really? Then watch me do my worst.
Look, Emilia, just...
Bro, I would advise you come clean to your wife before things get complicated.
Bro, you make it sound like it's easy. How am I supposed to look my wife in the face and tell her that I slept with her sister while she was gone for 2 days? Just 2 days, bro. How do I tell her that her sister is pregnant for me?
You were drunk. Exactly. You were drunk and she capitalized on your drunkenness.
That does not justify my actions. It does not. I don't even know why all of this is happening right now. Right now that my joy is about to become complete. My wife is pregnant for me.
Well, I would advise you tell your wife everything before Emilia does. Because that girl will stop at nothing until she gets what she wants. So.
To think that I'm about to pit 2 sisters against each other.
It's not your fault. Emilia is the evil one. Yes. Maria loves you. And I'm sure no matter how all this goes down, she will still stand by you. And come to think of it, it's not like you've ever given her a reason to doubt your love for her. So talk to her.
It's now evident that Andre despises me. Nobody loves me. So this is how he would have treated me if I was really pregnant with his child. Maybe I should just take all these pills and end it all.
Hey sis.
Hey, hi.
How
Good
are you?
afternoon, yummy mommy.
I'm not yet to mommy.
You look so good.
Thank you. So how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You having fun?
Yeah, just out here.
You know, I was thinking about something inside and I decided to come out and share it with you.
Okay, what is it?
This is the happiest moment of my life. Like I'm finally pregnant. Something I prayed for, hoped for. God has done it for me. Just one regret. Mom and Dad. They are no longer here with us. They're no longer here to see their first grandchild.
Yeah, I know. May your soul rest in peace.
Amen.
I'm sure Andre is, spoiling you and looking after you.
My sister, you can't say. My husband is really, really spoiling me. The best thing that happened to me in this life is getting married to my husband. He's a sweet man. God sent, and literally he's the best thing. He's the best man available. While I was bothered about my childlessness, my husband was my consolation. He never bothered me. He was never in a hurry. In fact, he was even more patient than I was. In my next life, I will still choose him. I will still marry him.
Oh my God, that's so cute.
I know.
I'm really happy for you.
I know.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
I was just thinking to myself before you came. I said, I wish I had known. And I've just looked for one fine man to get me pregnant. Yeah, so I can have a child that will look after me in old age.
Would I even say that? You're still young. Emilia, what is wrong with you? Why are you in a hurry? You're still young, vibrant, hardworking, and beautiful. See, I am sure that your Mr. Right is probably somewhere waiting for you. Just you're beautiful. You have everything it takes to meet your Mr. Right. So chill.
Sister, please don't patronize me. In fact, see, here, have this juice.
Are you not drinking?
This is fresh juice. I made it specially. It's good for the baby. Drink.
Okay.
Yes, please.
That's nice.
Yes, please drink some more. You know, I need my baby healthy.
Okay. I'll finish it.
Sister, finish it. Yes.
Babe, I just miscarried. I just miscarried.
How did you know?
I saw blood. I just miscarried.
It's okay. It's okay. Listen, let me get you to the hospital, okay? Let me get you to the hospital.
Why me? What did I do? I waited so many years to conceive. And I lost the baby just like that. I don't deserve this. I don't deserve this. My heart is broken. My heart is broken.
I know.
My heart is broken.
Arya.
My heart is broken.
Arya, don't cry, okay? God will give you another child.
Why did he take this one he gave
God
me?
will not take your child, the devil takes. It's the devil's work. I'm sorry, my dear. Don't cry.
Please, don't cry. Please,
I
I'm
cannot
sorry.
take it when it is broken. Why did this happen to me? I don't deserve it. I don't deserve it. I thought I was going to be a mother.
You will.
I thought God has finally answered my prayers. I just lost my
It's okay. Arya, stop crying.
child. God.
Arya,
So
look at me.
long.
Look at me. Baby girl, look at me. You will have another child. God does not fail.
Wait.
God does not fail.
Wait.
Don't take it easy on yourself, please.
Bro. Let's take heart. You have to stay strong for yourself and for your wife.
Man, I just don't understand why all of this is happening at the same time. I can't handle this. It's too much.
Bro. You need to take heart. Come on, you know what is at stake here.
Look, exactly my point. Doesn't make any sense. Something is not adding up. Joya has been in perfect health. She doesn't eat out. She doesn't drink anyhow. So I just don't get why she would just lose the baby weeks after conceiving.
Well, we cannot question what we do not know. Yes. So, God knows best. And I'm sure with time He will bless you with another one.
This is my wife's present condition. I don't think I can tell her about my affair with Emilia. I think it's going to hurt her a lot more. It's going to cause more harm.
Andre,
You have to talk to her. Yes. You need to tell her. Because sooner or later she will find out. Just keep your voice down. Sorry. See, bro, it is important she hears it from you. Very, very important. Please, talk to her.
Can you tell me why you're blowing up my phone knowing fully well that I'm with my wife? What is wrong with you?
Calm down, baby boy. Missed you here.
But just stop this drama and tell me, why are you blowing up my phone?
Okay, relax. I was just calling you to find out if you've thought about proposal.
Have you suddenly lost every atom of conscience in you? Your sister and I just lost our unborn child, and you still have the heart to bring this up.
You lost the child you're supposed to have with her. But you still have one with me here. I'm still pregnant. For you. So just marry me and she'll forgive us both in the end.
God forbid. Over my dead body. Over me, marry you. I could never marry such a heartless, deceitful person like you. Listen, the best thing for you to do is to terminate that pregnancy. Do you hear me?
I should terminate my child. The one implanted inside of me.
Yes.
Never.
You better do that because I'm never going to marry you. I'm never ever going to choose you. You're nothing like your sister. You don't even come close.
I'm nothing like my sister, eh?
Babe? Andre? Babe?
Okay, no problem. I knew you were going to do this. And thank God I was smart enough to eliminate what she was carrying.
Emilio, what did you just say?
You hate me.
Are you saying that you're responsible for my wife's miscarriage? Emilia, what did you... So you're the one that you're responsible for my wife. Are you saying that you're responsible for my wife?
You better leave me now. If not, I will scream.
Give me one good reason why I should not squeeze the life out of you right now.
I will scream and accuse you of rape if you don't leave me.
Listen, I regret ever knowing you.
Regret ever knowing me. I've not even seen anything. Don't know what I'm capable of. This is just a tip of the iceberg.
Babe?
Babe. Oh, you're awake.
Yes, I've been looking for you. Where have you been?
I'm sorry, I just I couldn't sleep. You know, I had a lot on my mind and I didn't want to bother you, so I
like a lot on my mind, so I decided to just go, take a walk in the compound just to clear my head. That's all.
Clear your head? You couldn't sleep, and I'm here for you. Why did you share it with me?
Babe, listen, it's nothing I can't handle, right? It's just some work stuff, just some property that Vincent marketed to me, and I've just been contemplating whether or not to invest.
So why don't you decline if you're not sure of investing in it?
You're probably right. That's what I should do.
Yeah. Are you okay?
Oh, yes, I am. But there's something I've been meaning to tell you.
Okay.
Oh, babe, I'm sorry.
You're sorry? Babe, we already had this conversation and we made up. Why are you bringing it up again? It's sorted.
I hear you, but just... carrying our child for about 2 months and then losing it must have been hard. I'm sorry for the pain you had to go through.
It's fine. It's not your fault. It's our loss, but God will give me another child. I'm sure of it. So don't blame yourself. Okay? I want you to be happy for me.
Okay.
I wanted to hold you. I didn't see you in bed. Okay.
Bro, it's not that easy. It's not. I'm doing my best. Look, Emilia is being a thorn in my flesh. Like, she's driving me crazy. At this point, I'm just going to have to do whatever I can. Yes, I'm just looking for the perfect time to just tell Arya everything. I've been secretly recording conversations between me and Emilia. It should count for something now. Okay, no problem. I'll keep you updated. Just thank you for everything. I appreciate it. Alright, bro.
July. Hands on your head.
Emilia, what are you doing with the gun?
I said hands on your head and give me that phone.
Okay. Just calm down. Alright, just relax. Just put the gun down. Right? We can settle this. You don't need to do this. Please.
You think you're smart, right?
Emilia, please don't do anything that you regret. Alright? Just put the gun down. We can sit down and we can talk about this. Please, just put the gun down. Please, I'm begging you.
You used me and you dumped me. And now you're trying to paint me bad in front of my own sister.
It's not like that. Why are you even doing this? Why are you doing this? Are you trying to hurt your sister?
I'm doing this because I love you.
Emilia, this is not love. This is not love. This is an obsession. You need to stop. Just put the gun down before you do something you regret. Please, just stop.
Yes. Hello? Hello, Lydia. Please inform them that I'll be there in 30 minutes time or less. Yes, I forgot the hard drive at home. I'm on my way to go and get it. It contains the field reports. I'll be back soon.
Shut up! Shut up!
Please, please, you're not thinking straight, please.
Shut up! Before I blow your brains off. Stop making me feel like I'm mentally unstable.
I'm sorry I had to get to this, but I cannot marry two women at the same time, especially not two sisters. I can't. I'm sorry, please, just...
What is going on? What are you doing with your gun? Why is it pointing at my husband?
Stay where you are. Stay where you are.
What is going on?
I think it's high time you told her what's been going on in this house and how you've been coming to me every night for sex, huh? Tell her.
What is she talking about?
Baby, it's not like that. It's not what it's not entirely true. Babe, it was just one time. It was just one time. And it was a mistake, one that I've regretted ever since. It was the night that I took her out. You were the one that asked me to take her out so she can have some fun and just take her mind off things. We were out and then we had too much to drink. I did not know what I was doing. I was intoxicated. I was not myself. And it happened. And that's why I've not been myself ever since. That's why I've been acting weird. And she's been engineering this whole thing and frustrating me and blackmailing me.
No. Just wake me up. I'm dreaming. I'm dreaming. This is not happening.
You didn't tell her that we're expecting a child, huh? Tell her that.
How could you do this to me? This is not the man I married. What happened to you? Aren't you Emilia? Brought you into my home out of love, and this is how you choose to repay me. You want to ruin my home.
Oh, please shut up. You're always acting high and mighty. Because you're happily married, huh? Well, sister, now the dice is cast. It's either he marries the both of us, or we lose him.
No, don't do this. Please.
Stay where you are. Oh my God!
Calm down. Yeah, just calm down. Just calm down. Please, just...
down, please.
Please. Emilia, no. Please, Emilia, please. Just put the gun down. Emilia, no. Emilia, no. Just... Emilia, no! Ooh, what the fuck?
Jimmy? Hey, look on, sir. Where is my wife?
No vessel. You know the way she carry her plenty back. What can come out to?
Wait, what are you even talking about? So you mean to tell me that my wife came into this house, packed her things and left, and you could not think to call me and inform me? Like, are you mad? Am I paying you to be stupid?
No.
What's this idiot talking about?
Please, just
I think
calm
so,
down.
you know. No verse, I beg.
Bro, relax. There's nothing he could have done. He could not have stopped her from leaving, so just relax, please. Calm down. How about you call her?
Just try calling her and see if she picks.
She's ringing, but she's not picking up.
Oh, God.
Give me this thing. What is wrong with you now? You won't kill yourself? What's be this nonsense now?
Bro, my wife has left me. She has left me for weeks now. She's not taking my calls. She's not responding to my messages. Even her best friend doesn't know her whereabouts. So why am I here? Why am I living?
You think drinking yourself to stupor will change anything? Eh? Come on now. I expect you to brace up and keep living. Bro, see, you calm down. This girl loves you. I can assure you, Aria loves you, man. And I'm sure she's somewhere far away trying to heal from the shock. Bro, see, you will get to see her again. I can assure you of that. You will see her again. Because she's definitely part and parcel of her sister's funeral. So you will get to see her. Just relax, man. My G. Come on now. See, oh yeah, let's go inside. You don't bath today. I did sure say you never bath. You never even chop self. The way I see you. You woke up and just started drinking. Don't make any sense now. I beg, let's go inside. Let's go, stand up. Let's go and freshen up and let me even take you out. You don't chop today. You don't chop. You won't kill yourself because of woman. Woman, where I know say still love you. Just calm down, man. Take care of yourself and look for a way around it. Huh? My man.
Aria. How?
Bro, I know you feel ambushed, but this here is a reality. Truth is, I have not been happy with how you've been lately. So I decided to call Jane and we came up with this plan to get you two together. And as God will have it, she was very okay and she even picked today being your wedding anniversary.
My love, I cannot express how sorry I am for betraying you, betraying our marriage. But I promise you, even if it takes the rest of my life, I will make it up to you. I love you so much. I always have and I always will.
I love you too. I missed you so much.
I missed you too.
Oh, this is so sweet. Love bird. I love. It's okay.
Oh man, come down, man.
You're welcome, bro.
Congratulations.
Baby,
I'm so happy for you.
Oh,
thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You don't do now. You meet yourself.
I'm actually happy you're smiling again, man.